For many years, I have trained people to do what I do, and this is the first time ever that I'm putting it in package form. It was one way for me to be able to help as many people and then still do the one-on-one calls, but that would kind of reduce that need if I was able to just create it in a program form. So that's what this mentorship program is about. You will have access to all of my forms and cheat sheets. You're going to have access to my specific processes and checklists. You're going to have due dates and everything that's within your realm. And then you're going to learn the foundation of how to successfully manage that business. Okay, whether you're the business owner or somebody that's going to be a really strong counterpart, the majority of small businesses that fail do so because they lack the business savvy and the business management side of things. Okay, typically people are going to come to me one of two ways. They're going to come to me either as an existing business, or they're going to come to me as a business that is brand new and, you know, just started. And typically it's because it's now time to file taxes, or it is time to get lending. So those are usually the two, you know, markers for why somebody's going to reach out to me, right? So you'll find that on my website it is more expensive to have an existing business because I do two things. One, I make sure to give a full audit. I can pick apart the financials, line up where they should be. You're going to hear me say the word audit proof a lot. That doesn't mean that you can't get audited. Everybody can get audited, and I have yet to lose a single one. And the thing is you want to make things auditable. Audit proof, auditable, those are things that I think a lot of people aren't savvy about. We're into a time where we have the most small business owners, and that's why I'm trying to create as many of me. I have a proven track record for success, and that is why I decided to show the people that I work with, because I think that's the most impressive part of what I do. It's not me personally, and as many businesses as I can guide, it's still up to you to do the work. So that being said, hang on tight because I have a ton to share. And in addition to everything that you're going to get access to when you buy the package, I'm going to continue to put out content and information as it evolves and changes and as you need it in your world. And anytime that you hit those one-off items that maybe we've never talked about, or a problem from within the business that you're working with or the business that you own, you will have access to me, and I will help you with one-on-one calls, and we will navigate through those trials and tribulations, okay? It's not uncommon that we're going to experience them. It's almost impossible to not have, but it's how we kind of navigate through them that kind of brings the success stories out of all of you. So that's what I'm here to share. I'm excited. I'm very passionate about it. It's the one thing that I can talk about for hours, and I think everybody that knows me will agree on that. I think the main takeaway also from anybody that's going to work with me, take my course, look at my YouTube, everything, the one thing that you're going to get is just a very good basic knowledge of what's going on in your business. And I think that's truly what the difference is between the people that I work with and other small businesses. I make sure that they understand that it isn't like these super secret spreadsheets that everybody wants to do, or the cash businesses that want to skim off the top. Because at the end of the day, if you realize anything about basic financial literacy, it's not to hide and withdraw from those things. It's to obviously show as much money as we can so that we can obtain the lending. Would you give you a loan? And that's usually what I tell people. Like, you're asking for $1 million loan, or you're wanting to get a business partner. I'm looking at the financials. I don't care what you filed taxes on for the year. As a business owner, entrepreneurship is going to go up and down. Doesn't matter the industry, the type of business. Business is business, and it kind of runs the same. So my whole thing is education.